This is Dalton at Coyote Classics, and today we're checking out this Cortez Silver 1970 Chevy Nova. Holy shit, dude, this thing stays so tight too.
Just when you thought I couldn't get it out of control.
I don't know if I've been in a car with this much horsepower that handles so nice.
Holy smoke! This is something special right here, guys.
Now this is a great looking car. More importantly, great sounding. Love the Cortez Silver on these 70 Chevys. 4-speed manual transmission.
It's hard to beat a 70 Nova, and this one's cloned to an SS. Got the SS badges up front and the back, SS hood, and Cortez Silver with a black vinyl top. There's not much better color combination on a Nova.
Exactly. A lot of metallic in that silver as well. Under the hood, good running 350. It's got headers.
Yeah, just kind of plain Jane under the hood, no extra options as far as power steering and brakes, but that's how a lot of them came. It does have a fan shroud, looks like it's got a nice aluminum radiator. As we look up and down the sides, a very straight car. Again, it has a nice idle as well. It's riding on some American Racing, kind of a torque thrust wheel. Tires look to be in good shape. There's really good tread there in the front tires. The chrome and the bright work, if I can get my shadow out of the way, the chrome and the bright work on the front is beautiful. Very nice bumper, eyebrow chrome, hood chrome, all looks good. Gap is really good from front to back here on the front edge of the hood. Same thing here on the driver's side, a little bit wider in the front than in the back, but we got some nice clearance. Windshield's good. Vinyl top. Very important to check these vinyl tops. So far, as going around it, it's absolutely perfect. No bubbles or blisters here. Back shelf and package tray. Top of the back seat is excellent. This one's also got a very nice interior we'll get to in a little bit, but the vinyl top is awesome. As we go to the bright work on the back, it's had a new bumper in the rear as well. Also know from the talking to the previous owner, the rear end has been completely rebuilt as well. Dual exhaust comes out really nice. That's newer, comes out right behind the rear wheel. Quarter panel straight. Bottom of the door lines up nice to the front side of the quarter panel and also to the front fender. We'll get to that in a minute as well.
I'm impressed looking up and down the side just how straight it is.
Yeah, for a nice driver, it's great. Taillight chrome, if a guy wants to make it a little nicer. Taillight lenses and chrome are original. Really, a trunk lid lines up good as well. Inside the trunk, I just took some pictures. It's got a spare. It's got a black carpet in there. Seems like a very solid trunk floor. Over the wheel well's good. Real nice on the outside here. It's got just a little bit, looks like maybe a little spot weld right here. But not bad at all. We were kind of toying with the idea of putting some wheel well trim on it. I think that would really enhance it as well. But as far as that back part of that door lines up really nice there. A couple little tiny little chips right here. Another chip there. Like I said, not perfect, but nice solid car. Wow, look at the corner. Yeah. It's the first thing you see when you open up there. It's a nice corner door there. Door jamb paint is okay, but it's not as nice as the rest of it. You can see here, it's just they didn't do as good a job. Front seat is excellent, really nice there. Headliner is awesome. Back seat's beautiful, door panels are great. Like I said, really nice interior. It's got the nice SS steering wheel. As far as the top of the dash pad's excellent. And so is the black on the top of the dash and on the dash itself. So really nice interior on this one.
It is.
You don't have to do nothing with the interior. The paint body looks good, except for a few little spots. Chrome's good. And if this thing runs and drives as nice as it looks, we got a good car here.
Absolutely.
Rear quarter is really good, except for right in here, you can see just some little tiny little surface rust spots there. Over the wheel well is good. There's a little rust right here. Like I said, older paint job, but all in all, corner of the door fits good. Rocker fits great to the door, and then also back side of the hood, top of the fender. Nice driver. As far as the vinyl top goes, perfect right in this area as well. Corner of the door looks great here. Still has the original tag there. It was built October 1969. Does have an aftermarket tack. Looks like the gas gauge works.
My window on the passenger side goes up good.
Good. So is mine.
Awesome.
Looks like the visor might be, yeah, visor needs to be probably the bushing replaced in there. I also mentioned the horn work. Thought it did. That was the last car. This one doesn't.
But it's hard to keep them straight.
It's all in there though. You know what I mean? You can tell it moves and everything. Wipers work good. Does not have a fan switch. Pretty typical of these Novas. A lot of the fans don't
Look
work.
at the oil pressure. Even just here at idle, about 60 pounds of oil pressure. Amp gauge works, and we'll check the temp gauge here once we get it warmed up a little bit.
It's got its original AM Delco radio still in the hole, which is nice, huh?
Glove box, just weird little, nothing hiding in there.
Nothing hiding. Dome light doesn't work, so it needs a few little things. Heater doesn't work, dome light. Gas gauge works, aftermarket tack works good. There we go. I like this 1970 Super Sport wheel. So it's got the right wheel on it. It's got the big wheel, which it's easy to turn, especially without power steering. You want a bigger wheel.
Yeah, and the SS hood always looks great on these cars.
It does. That's kind of surprising, ain't it?
Yeah, good power right back in the seat.
Sounds good too. Check our brakes here in a second. Brakes feel nice.
Nice idle too, and the tack works, is that right?
It really does, yeah.
Good.
We're idling about 600, maybe 650.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And like you said, the seats, the dash pad, door panels, you know, very nice. Great gaps
The
too.
interior is great. It really is. RPM shifts. There's 3,500 shift. Speedometer does not work, so we'll have to check on that, see what's going on with that speedometer. Really drives good though.
It does.
Steering wheel is perfectly straight, goes down the road nice. Just a little vibration, not in the wheel or anything, but it's just a hot rod feel, but it's not bad at all.
No, not bad. It's a good car, it really is. I'm impressed with it.
Of course, we just got done driving a 1971, like an $80,000 one.
That's got all, you know, independent four-link suspension and stuff
this
like
one's
that.
under 30, but it really drives good. But you can tell the difference of a 80,000 and a 30.
Oh yeah, but especially for the money, great Nova, great year.
Yeah, here's our brakes one more time. They think they're just drum.
Yeah,
But they stop good. No power, nothing but the brakes, pedals right up there. It sounds really good. And you can hear when that floor barrel kicked in, it kind of bogged down a little bit and went. This is a car that's going to give you a thumbs up anywhere you go. It's a cruise night car. Something that looks really good. 5 feet, you get up close, you're going to see a couple of those little tiny little bubbles.
But like we talked,
about.
it's getting so hard to find, you know, stuff like this even under 30. You know, for a 70 Nova, best year of the Nova with a 4-speed that's, you know, looks like this one.
Beautiful
nice interior. It's a good deal. So check it out. I'll get on her one more time.
Gee, Merry Christmas.
There we go. Now she's warming up. Oh, in the mail.
It's fast.
It is. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.